Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching how to fix tech. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can export and import the registry editor files. So without wasting your time, let's begin. First go to search bar here and then type here registry. Now you can see the option of registry editor. Open it, click on yes. Now you will see options like this. You need to go to file options here, which is the first option, and then click on export option, and now click on desktop or other location you want, and now click here all the files, this one, and then name the registry editor here, registry backup. Now click on save button here. Now wait, we are going to backup our registry. Now you can see we have successfully backup the files of registry editor. So how to import the file? Let's go to the same location which I already told you. Same location. Now click on file options, and now click on this time import options, which is the first option. Click on import, and now you can see the backup file. Click on OK. You can click on here all files. Open. Now we are backing up the registry editor files successfully, and how you can easily import and export the registry editor files. Hope this small video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.